how to fix Google Maps app timeline on and off problem. So if you want to fix your Google Maps app timeline on and off problem, then what you need to do is first you just need simply tap on your Google and go with your profile, which is on the top right, and then tap on manage your Google account. Now from here you need to go with data and privacy. Under that you need to scroll down and you'll find a location history. You need to tap on the location history. If you don't find your location history, then here you will have timeline option. You just need simply tap on timeline, which means location. Now here, if it is turned off, you just need simply go and turn it on. Tap on turn on, which is on the bottom, in order to turn it on, or in order to turn it off, you just need simply go with turn off. So if you want to fix this problem, then you just need simply turn off and delete the activity. Tap on next, delete, and that's it. Tap on got it, and your problem will be fixed. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.